I'll be making omelette with simple ingredients and I'll be using it to consume my sweet potato. We'll need egg. I've already broken the egg, so I'm mixing it. So if you have a mixer, it makes it faster for you. Then put oil on fire under low heat. Make sure the oil circulates at the bottom of the pan, and it's best to use a non-stick pan. Then when it's warm enough, you can now gradually pour your egg into the pan under low heat, remember. So now I'm adding my spices on the fried egg. Remember, I didn't add any spice while I was mixing it, so it's on the heated egg that I'm pouring the spices according to taste. So put your own spices. I already have my spices, so I'm just putting them one after the other. And when you're done spicing it up, you just make sure it circulates all over like you're doing, pizza. Then I don't want the egg to stick to the pan, so I keep rotating it. Then after rotating it, I have to flip it from the right and also from the left, so it will have that shape of omelette that we want. Wow, it's getting ready. Any moment from now, our omelette will be ready. So this time around, I'm going to do the chef move of flipping the egg round. Let's see if I'll get it. Let's try again. Finally, I got it. So I think our omelette is ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat and allow it to simmer before I serve it. Now I'm serving it with my already boiled sweet potato. Ooh, yummy, steamingly hot, ready to be consumed. Let's have a taste. Wow, so delicious. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you. Thank you.